Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the Moto Razr 2020, or you can call the Moto Razr 5G, which is obviously a fingerprint magnet as you can see here. But that said, this phone comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, and that's a 5G chipset. Again, if I talk about the games, I have installed a few games. That's the Call of Duty, Subway Surfer, Asphalt 9, and I guess we had also installed the PUBG Korean variant. So in this specific video I'll be playing the Call of Duty game, and before I do that, let me just quickly take a look at the temperature. It's completely cold in this room with the air conditioning on, and the phone is also pretty much cold. As you can see here, 31 degrees is the max we could see here. On the back it's around 30, 29 degrees and 28 degrees. So that's the current temperature. Apart from that, on the bottom part, yes, it's little bit around 32 degrees, but that's the maximum temperature which we have recorded. So let us quickly start the game and take a look at the frame rates of Call of Duty. So guys, before we start the game, let's take a look at the settings, and here under audio and graphics, as you can see, the graphic quality is very high, which is actually a good thing, and the frame rate is also very high. I could switch that to maximum and go back. While right now the frames are around 39-41, which is actually good enough, and of course for this kind of a price smartphone I obviously expect some great gaming experience and usage also. So here we go. Right now let's do the jump. First thing first, I would like to say that the speakers are actually very good. The speaker output is very high, and let's take a quick jump. So you can notice the frame rate here. It's right now shuffling between 25-29, but normally it has been giving us a good performance till now. Only thing is, I really hope that during these corners I shouldn't be facing an issue, but yeah, that's also not an issue. That's actually very good. Nonetheless, I'm waiting for the team member, the person, to do the drop. So he has just dropped, and as you can see, the frame rates has dropped a little bit between 38 and 40, and we are going to the launch base. So here we go. We are about to jump. Come on. Every time there's a new phone, I end up with having issues with holding the options and setting up those options. And this guy from my team itself wants to take away everything from me. Anyway guys, so let me just play the game for a few minutes and then probably take a look at the temperature. As of now, the viewing angles are also decent enough. I wouldn't say they are great, but that's about the current experience. Let's go out and let me just do a little test here guys. Let me just close this phone here and expect that it should open the app here. So let's see if the game is opening up here, and no, it's reloading. So in a smaller screen the game will not open, it's actually loading up again. So let us go back to the earlier game, and wow, did I just screw up everything? I guess so. And we are trying to probably go back to the same session. The frame has crazily dropped, but of course that's because we are switching from the small screen to the larger screen, and that's the reason things have gone completely different. It's trying to auto login. I already feel the phone has become a little warm on this back part where the battery and the processor is, probably not the display area, but we are going to reconnect to the game. And yeah, we are back. Let us try to play the game now. What's up? Where's my team? What are they doing? Or did I just press the wrong button? Well, it still died. I'll have to probably fix the control options. I have selected few wrong controls, but anyway, the point being that um, as of now there aren't much of a frame drops which we can say that or you can just complain about them. The experience is quite smooth as of now on this game, as you can see here. So that's all about it, guys. We have been using this phone from quite around 7 minutes now, as you can see in the timer, and as of now going smooth, as you can see here. Not bad actually. Let's go up and try to do a quick jump. Anyway, so it's time to check a look at the current temperatures. Right now I have been using the phone, so let's first take a look at the front temperature. It's around 33 34, but the actual temperature can be seen here, 43.4 43.5. Now that's pretty high compared to what we see on most of the smartphones, so that's clearly evident that the phone does heat up a lot. Let's take a look at the front part. On the bottom also front, 41 degrees, so the phone does get quite heated up, is something you should make a note of. And that's the current temperatures, but that's the experience of playing Call of Duty on this smartphone. That's the all new Motorola Razr 5G. That's it for the gaming video and the experience. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.